Hello, welcome back to Mission 6, Lesson 19. Materials you will need is 20 square tiles. You should have square tiles that you made at the beginning of Mission 6. Your I can investigate the pattern of even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 in the ones place and related to odd numbers. All right, as we begin our lesson, let's look at the image here. How many rows do you have? Just look at the rows. And remember, our rows are horizontal. All right, we have 2 rows. How many tiles are in each row? That should be easy. Count them 1, 2. So there's 1 tile in each row. Now let's think about what would be the double equation by adding the number in each row. Someone guess? 1 plus 1 equal 2? All right, what if we added, well, first of all, let's see, is 2 an even number? Yes, it is. As we make our rows, let's keep track of our even numbers. So we know that 2 is an even number. Now, how many columns do we have now? Let's count the columns. 1, 2. And we have, how many columns of 2 do we have? Yes, it is 2 columns. Now, how many rows do we have? Yes, we have 2 rows. So what will be the double for this one? The double is 2 plus 2 equals 4. Is 4 an even number? Yes, because nothing is sticking out, so you have to know that 4 is an equal number. Now let's look at this next one. How many columns of 2 do we have now? Yes, we have 3 columns of 2. 3 columns of 2. Okay, what do you notice about the numbers we circle? Do you see a pattern? Talk to your learning partner. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, yes, they are all even numbers. It starts at 2 and it keeps going. 2, 4, 6. Now, we've made an array of 20. All right, so if pause the video and I need for you to make yourself an array of 20 and have all the numbers and number each one of them. Okay, so do you have them? Welcome back. All right. So, what if I take 1 tile away from your array of 20? How many tiles do I have left? Take 1 away. Yes, we have 19 tiles. Is 19 an even number? And why not? No, you are correct. 19 is not an even number. You cannot make it pairs. There is one number sticking out. If it has no partner, you know that it's not an even number because it's not 10 plus 10 anymore since we took one number away. The number sentence would be 10 plus 19. 10 plus 9 equals 19. Since there's no 10 on the bottom and 9 on the top is not an array with 2 rows or 2 columns. So that means that a 19 is an odd number. Okay. What happened when we had an even number of tiles and we took one away? Should take time to think of these questions and discuss these questions with your learning partner. What will happen if when we add one number to an even number? So let's test what we just noticed with partner A. Build an even number, and partner B add one, and then take one away from the array to see if the number is even. See if you get an odd number. So we're going to build an even number, add one, then take one away from the array of the even number just to see if you get an odd number. All right, so we added one. So if we add one, we know that we have, so let's count them 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Then we added one. So now we have 17. Is 17 an even or an odd number? Okay, when you take one tile doesn't have a partner. So 17 is odd because there's no double sentence. 8 plus 9 is 17. So that's odd. So what if we took another number away? So if we took one away, what do we have? Do we have one sticking out now? No, we do not have one sticking out now. So that means that we have an even number. What if we took another one away? There's one sticking out, correct? So now we have 15 left. So is 15 an even or an odd number? All right, 15 is an odd number because one of them will not have a partner. So let's practice using what we know on bigger numbers. Is 40 an even or an odd number? Talk to your learning partner. So what do you think? Okay, 40 is an even number because it ends in 0. 40 is even because you can count by twos to 40. And we know that 20 plus 20 is also equal to 40. Is 41 an even or an odd number? All right, so 41 is an odd number because it's an even plus 1. When you have a plus 1, we know that that is an odd number. All right, I want you to continue your lessons and remember to complete your Zern lessons when you are done. Have a great day.